Pressure washing is the best way to clean your building. Pressure washing cleans faster and lasts longer because it blasts the dirt off with a concentrated stream of water at high pressure. Pressure washers clean brick, stone, concrete, wood, vinyl and aluminum siding. Pressure washers also clean decks and patios. Pressure washing is one of the best ways to remove grime from your sidewalks and driveway. Pressure washers are the best way to remove moss and mold from roofs, siding, decks and patios. Pressure washing is fast and effective. Pressure washers clean faster than scrubbing by hand or machine wash. Pressure washing your home will make it look better, save you time and increase its value. Pressure wash Long Island today. Long Island pressure washing is a unique branch of pressure washing that has grown exponentially in homeowners and business owners alike. Who can use pressure washing Long Island to clean your house or business and increase the value of your home or business? Pressure washers range from electric pressure washers and gas-powered pressure washers to low-pressure and high-pressure pressure washing. Pressure washing Long Island is like no other pressure washing in the world. Pressure washing can not only lightly strip away mildew, mold, dirt, and grime but also remove paint, which means you must be careful when pressure washing your property. Pressure washing Long Island pressure washing your home is a great way to remove grime, dust, dirt, mineral deposits, and other contaminants. Pressure washing can also rid surfaces of mold, algae, and lichens. Pressure washing is also an effective solution for removing mold that may be hiding on the surface of your home. Pressure washing Long Island pressure washing minimizes the amount of time spent manually scrubbing surfaces, which reduces wear and tear on your body and the number of cleaning products required to clean stubborn stains. Give us a call today to schedule services, or to speak to one of our friendly staff members about your next pressure washing project.